Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about top 5 trending niche on merch by Amazon. So guys, let's get started. The first niche guys that you have, this is niche as you can see here. I don't really care Marguerite Fanny shirt. This is good niche guys. As you can see here, the BSR is very low. You can make design about this niche and you can get quick sales. So guys, this is good niche. You can start with this. And the niche 2 guys, I have this for you. You can never to have many dinosaurs. This is great niche guys. The price is 60.99 and the BSR is 500, very low BSR. This is added on 26 January 2025. You can make design similar of this one and you can get sales. The 3 niche guys, it's Florida Blizzard Survivor. It is good niche with you can make design with AI. This BSR is 500 K BSR, and this last niche guys, it is Cody Sachs Ags. This is good niche. You can make design about this niche. The BSR is very low. So guys, before make a design for this niche, you should be check the trademark and copyrights. And if you save, you can make a design and with the Photoshop or Canva, and you can earn money quickly. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.